Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Rumisher Webb, and today we are making a Mexican casserole. So I'm going to show you guys what we are doing here, and I'm with my mother-in-law, Jerry. And we have browned the ground beef. We have added salsa to this mixture, and I will get you guys the recipe soon. What we are doing is we're pouring this mixture in on top of the ground beef, and this mixture has olives, green chili, sour cream, is that correct? And cottage cheese. Oh, and black olives. And so this is going to be a layered type of casserole. So the first layer was the ground beef. The second layer was the sour cream mixture. The third layer is going to be the cheese. And we are making a Mexican casserole. And this is how we're doing this. So now we're adding the cheese. You can use any type of cheese. We like to use the taco blend or the Mexican blend. That seems to be a favorite in our family. And we are... Oh, and what I can do is I'm going to set this to convection bake, and we're going to go up to 400 and start, and I'm going to get that heated up. And when we do a convection bake for this, it usually only takes 30 minutes, and if we do it regular bake, it takes about an hour and a half. And we do it at 350 when we do just a regular conventional baking. But this is a convection bake, so it cooks quite a bit faster. So now we have the ground beef, we have the sour cream mixture, we have the cheese, and now we are adding some chips. And these are our bean chips, and I like to use these. This is from Bean Fields, and this is the nacho flavor. And we're crushing them. And we're going to make this the third layer. And we're going to continue to do this until all of our mixture is complete. Now you're watching a pro here. So this is one of our favorite meals. We really enjoy this, and every time my mother-in-law comes out here, we get this, we make this. This is not a keto-friendly dish. If you guys are wanting to keep within the 20 net carb limit, this is more of a 50 net carb limit, but we enjoy that. This is like our cheat meal, so this is what we do maybe once a week, or once every other week. This is not a daily thing. So here we go with another layer. So we've got the meat, the sour cream mixture. Then we add the cheese, and we add the chips. And then we put it in the oven. And I'm doing a convection bake, so that's 400 degrees, and it's going to be in there for 30 minutes. And when we are all done, and we'll post a photo. So, thank you for joining us, and have a good day.